Well, when I first came to Dr. Johnson, I was really not happy with my teeth. Through the years, I'd had so much struggle with my teeth. So I finally just decided I'm going to get implants and I'm going to go through the whole process. And it has been the best decision I have ever made, ever probably. I'm one of these people who is I'd put off having dental surgery for years. I didn't want to be put to sleep. I was scared of the process. And Dr. Johnson made it all so comfortable, and the staff was excellent, and had the best experience, and I can't say enough good about it. It was perfect. There was nothing. My recovery afterwards, it's a recovery when you have that kind of work, but I could call, I asked the staff questions, and my recovery went very well.
The process to me, I knew it was important for her, health-wise and for many reasons. But when I first met Carolyn, I was telling Dr. Johnson, years ago, she had the best laugh and a beautiful smile, but she would kind of hide her smile. And I asked her, why do you do that? And so she kind of got out of the habit, and I thought that she was this very confident and sweet, great person. But I have seen a difference in her since she got the procedure done, and also now back to you guys. I don't know that you understand how important it is for the spouse of somebody that has the procedure done. It's a major undertaking. It's a lot of recovery. You go through a lot of tough stuff, but it's all worth it. And to have my wife taken care of the way she was, like she was your mother, couldn't have asked for anything better. So extremely thankful and feel very blessed.